First, open your image in Photoshop. To select the subject, use the Remove Background feature. Create a new layer and import the drip PNG. Resize and position the drip to fit the bottom of the subject. After placing it, select the Magic Wand tool to remove the white areas. Then, click on the Similar option to select all similar white parts. Use a clipping mask to attach the drip to the subject. You can customize the background according to your own preferences. Use the brush tool to add a shadow underneath. And that's it! You've created a dripping effect. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.